Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take a look at some hot niches. Now you may or may not have seen these niches, but we're going to analyze them anyway and work out whether you should enter these niches, whether you shouldn't, is it too late, is it not, what are the opportunities that are available at the moment on Merch by Amazon, that kind of thing. And we're also going to take a look at some new software that I don't know whether you guys know it or not, but I thought I'd share it with you, and it's the software that I found these niches with. I'm going to take a little moment to introduce myself to new viewers. My name's Adnan. You can call me Mr. Addy, hence why the channel name. I'm an e-commerce entrepreneur, a family man, a YouTuber. I have two channels, this one in English and in Arabic as well. I do enjoy filmmaking. It's one of my best hobbies, and I also have a managerial and a coaching background. When it comes to Merch by Amazon alone, I've sold over $1 million in sales, and I've made over $200K in royalties. And I've made this channel especially to support anyone who wants to be successful on print on demand and making money online in general. So if you like what you see, like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a nice comment, share this video with your friends, and turn on the notifications so you can get the videos as soon as I upload them. For people interested in scaling their Merch by Amazon business, especially in this Q4, I've made a very comprehensive Merch by Amazon course from A to Z for any level, from beginner up to advanced, that will definitely help you take that shortcut and not feel like you're lost, you don't know what to do, that kind of thing. I've launched it 4 days ago on the 10th of October, and I'm running a fantastic launch promotion, 50% off if you sign up between now and the 17th of October. So if you're interested, go ahead, check out the content, check out the free training that I've got there, and check out the website, check out the value. And if you're happy, go ahead and buy, and trust me, it will be the best decision you've ever made. If anything, it will save you so much time, and as we know, time is money, so you'll definitely make that money back as long as you implement the strategies and you work on your Merch by Amazon account. I also have a Facebook group, make sure you check it out, and welcome to the family, link in the description as well. I don't know if you guys have seen this Imposter Niche or not. It's a gaming related niche. This niche has started to die down, but it was selling like crazy, like hotcakes. Should you get into it or should you not? Let me ask you this. Is it copyrighted? Is it trademarked? Is there any problem with it? Let me know your opinion in the comments, but I'll tell you what my opinion is. I think this Imposter Among Us or crewmate niche, it's a no-no. Leave it out. I know it's attractive, only 181 results. I've only got a screenshot here, but if you actually look at the entire niche, it really sells. It sells really well. Don't even touch it. Here is why. Because it's related to a video game. A quick search on Google will reveal that it's actually a no-go. You cannot just take a video game name and put it on a t-shirt. You might have made mistakes. I might have made mistakes. Many people might have made mistakes. But let me give you the correct advice. If other people have already uploaded a questionable design, it doesn't mean that it's safe. It doesn't mean that you should upload it as well. Here is why. Because they're taking a risk. Now you need to calculate, should you take that risk or not? If you take that risk, you should assume the responsibility. If then Amazon takes your designs down or terminates your account, you should not feel bad, because it's a risk that you took, right? And you were happy with the consequences. You were like, do you know what? I'm going to take this risk, and if they do take me down, that's fine. If they terminate my account, that's fine. If you're not happy about the prospects that Amazon might take your designs down or terminate your account, you should not take that risk. This is my advice. Right, next niche, kayaking gets me wet. Now, surprisingly, this niche is doing really well. I know there's about 650 results, but what we got to look at is the demand is there. There's a lot of demand. These are just the first 4 results, and they're not ranked by BSR. If I was to rank them by BSR, the BSR would actually be a lot lower. So I think it's doing really well, especially in the vintage niche. So if you were to cross niche it and sub niche it even further, I think you will be onto a winner. So yeah, give it a go and see what you might come up with. And the important thing here, guys, is don't do the exact same designs, right? Come up with a different idea, use different fonts, use different design concepts, right? Study the competition, look at what are the things that you might do that they're not already doing. How can you add value into what's already established? And I say all the time, if you're going to make the same design, there's no point. You might as well just fill your slots with garbage. It's not going to sell. And by the way, these are the next 4 results. As you can see, the BSR has actually reached 92k, which is great. And what I've noticed about this niche is that most of the results in the first page are actually below 1 million, which is great. And the BSR range is quite tight. What I mean by this is that the BSR results are quite close with each other. They're quite similar. They're around the same kind of range. And this suggests high demand. Now catch these nuggets, guys. Don't let them slip, right? This is important stuff. And you can apply this in any case in your niche research. Now what's surprising here is that the best-selling design is a premium shirt. You don't often find this. Sometimes Amazon wants to push premium t-shirts, but this doesn't mean that they sell more than standard t-shirts. I would always, hands down, start with standard t-shirts and focus on selling standard t-shirts if you don't have many slots. But obviously if you have a lot of slots, then upload to premium t-shirts as well. But as a general rule, across the board, no one sells more premium t-shirts than standard t-shirts. It's just a fact. Right, next, I'm sure you probably have seen this niche, but I thought I'd just throw it in there anyway. I'm Speaking by Kamala Harris. I'm sure you've seen this niche anyway. This niche is huge right now. It's massive. I think it's declining now, but I think it's going to maintain its position at least until the election is done, because this is a trending topic. Of course, the election is what is going on right now. Now when you go to page 3, you can actually see that it's not just 351 results, it's actually a lot more than that. It's 2,000 results, and maybe there's more than 2,000 results. You just got to keep going and see where you end up. Right, next niche, again, it's related to the presidential elections. This Joe Biden's fly swatter and vice president fly whatever. This niche is doing so well, guys. So yeah, check it out. And there's not much competition, and I think if you guys know how to approach it with a different design concept and being a bit different and a bit unique in a sense, then you might be able to sell in this niche between now and the elections. What a weird niche, guys. I have plans in my garage. Who's to say that this niche would do so well? I have no idea. Maybe it's taken from a TV show or from somewhere, but it doesn't look like it's a trend. Sometimes you got to think to yourself, why is something selling so well? Are they driving external traffic to it? Is it part of a TV show? Is it part of a trend? Is it part of a movement? What is it? Why is it selling? This way you can figure out whether it's safe to upload to it or not. This way you could figure out how to approach it. This way you could figure out the niche, that kind of thing. But this is really surprising. 562 results. The BSR is really good. I mean, if you check out the entire niche, it's got really good BSR, especially in the first page. And what's amazing, guys, is that it's a simple text design. Anyone can make these kind of designs, guys. You can make it with the Over app, you can make it with Illustrator, you can make it with Canva, you can make it with anything. If you know your way around your design software, you can literally create it in a minute. And if you look at the first 4 results, they're all very similar. They all have a dot in the end. They all have pretty much a distressed font. One of them has vintage colors, but really when you think of it, it's not that much different. Come up with something unique and see if you can find a gap in the market to slot in. That way you can get a slice of the cake, so to speak. A quick announcement, guys. I do have a hot niches service, so if you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna leave you a link in the description. It's discounted at the moment, so yeah, if you like what you see, go for it. Right, the software that I found this niches with is Merch Intel. Merch Intel is a new-ish kind of software. I think the person behind it made another software that's pretty similar to it. I'm not sure if it's still around or not, but to be honest with you, I was able to find some good stuff. And what I like about it is that it does a lot of filtering for you. So you can filter by different keywords, by just a portion of keywords, by full sentences, whatever. You can analyze, hide analysis. At the moment, they have US, Germany, and UK, and you can filter by BSR as well, and you can filter by when the design has come into the market, which is so important. This way you can actually detect trends, and it also shows you deleted designs, so you don't upload those designs. You can filter by top trends, top BSR, new designs, top review, and top customer review. When you click on the niches tab here on the left, you can actually find different niches, and you can find keywords by clicking on the keywords tab, and you can search for trademarks. You can add your favorite designs or niches and find them later in the favorite section. You can add notes, you can check the marketing calendar. They also have an analysis feature, so when you click on any t-shirt right there, you can actually see the BSR history. Has it gone up or down? The price history, has it gone up or down? And you can make your analysis based on that. And best of all, guys, they do give you a 30-day free trial. I'm going to leave you a link down below so you can get your 30-day free trial, so make sure you check it out. And by the way, let me know if you'd like me to do a full review of this tool. Let me know in the comments down below, and if there's enough demand, I'll definitely make a full review, a full video dedicated to this tool where I explain to you everything from start to finish. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments. Again, a quick reminder, if you're interested in boosting your Merch by Amazon business, I'm going to leave you a link down below where you can check out my course. You can actually get some free training, get some free preview to see my teaching style, to see what the course is about. I do explain the course content and all of that, and you can benefit from the 50% discount until the 17th of October 2020. If you're interested, go for it. It's definitely the best investment for your business. And remember, time is money, right? And feel free to join my Facebook group, join the family, ask your questions and collaborate with each other. Again, link down below. And that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover any other topics or anything that you're not sure about with merch by Amazon or print on demand in general. And again, if there's enough demand, I'll make a separate video. If you like the content, give this video a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, subscribe to the channel and turn those notifications on so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Good to have you around. I'll see you in the next video.